colours are beautiful. They really stand out being blood red. We often see these in orange, but around here, it's red ones. These beautiful golden shrimp plants look so nice in this park. And look at these bachelor's buttons as well. And behind. And look at these lily of the Niles too, this agapanthus. And even more parakeet flowers. I did not expect to see this today. It's a lovely display. That's an unusual colour of the parakeet flower. It's usually bright orange, but this one, it almost looks like a bird of paradise, but it isn't, of course. It's very nice. I'm here today. Well, this is what they use for palm oil. I've seen a lot of these in Malaysia. Not so many here in Hong Kong. Purely ornamental here. But I found this tree, and there's one next to it as well. And they come up on the app as foxtail palms. So yes, it makes sense. And quite big. Gives you an idea of scale. They've really gone for it for colour here. Lovely. Very nice. And what a setting. Now these are strange looking things. Beach spiderfly. Appropriate name, I think. They do look like spiders. Not very nice. I do like flowers normally, but these look a bit spooky. Okay. Well, I'm out shopping and I see these peregrinas. Oh, they look so nice. Peregrina, beautiful plant. I'm here today. I know, I'm taking pictures of hibiscus again, but they're just so cheerful. How can you not? Look at that. What a great display. Aren't these pretty? In the park. Wow, they're huge. Very big. Goes all the way along here. Lots of parakeet flowers here. In flower. They're also in the shade. There's quite a lot of them. All the way around. And it's a noisy park full of cicadas and birds and children playing. Yes, this is a Lagerstromia, which is known as a Crepes myrtle. And normally I see these in very big trees, but it's in quite a small bush here today. A very nice setting. A crepe myrtle or a Lagerstromia. Take your pick. I saw this as I was walking by and I thought, that's beautiful. It is very noisy around here. I hope that you can hear my voice. But that does look lovely. And I found it here. Now I was here to look at this Brazilian potato tree. And I saw this under one of the leaves. It looks like a wasp, but it isn't. It's some kind of moth or a butterfly. And this is what the flowers look like on the Brazilian potato tree. It's getting bigger. Wow, look at the size of that thing now. That must be 10 feet tall. Amazing. Well, this is known as the insulin plant around here. And it's very, very nice. And behind it we can see the parakeet flowers. It's a nice setting. Wow, these leaves look beautiful. So fresh and clean. These are the leaves of the giant taro plant, apparently. And they look lovely. There's this one here, this plant here. Those plants over there. Well, that's an unusual hibiscus. It's on this plant here, but right next to it, bear in mind we're talking about this hibiscus, right next to it are these. That's what I normally expect to see when I see an hibiscus. But this one, this plant here, it looks different. Well, these had me fooled. I thought they were real, but they're not. All those are false. But it's a good way of making it look nice underneath the bridge. These are real. They're not. Great ground cover this Wedelia is. I had to check the name. I thought it was a dandelion at first, but no. If you look at the leaves, definitely not. Look, all along here, very well covered up, and quite a nice flower. These golden trumpets really cheer up the park. They're so sweet, big. What a lovely flower. It's very peaceful here today. What I read is that it's a bit noisy today. The monkeys are going crazy in the park. But that just looks so nice in the sun. Look at the rest. And listen to those monkeys. Or gibbons, I think. Oh, these are beautiful. They look so nice. I used to grow these at home. So beautiful in the sunshine. There's some pink ones here too. It's very hard to get these, but this is full of fruit. I think they call them Malay apples. And if you look at the floor, it shows you where they've all fallen. And there's lots of them down there. Wow. Malay apples. What a waste. I hope the birds have had a good feast, and now for the worms and the insects. Look at these Chinese lanterns, they're hiding. They're really beautiful if you can get underneath and see them. Very nice. It's a very nice setting. Oh, this hibiscus is beautiful. It's so cheerful. In a very nice setting here. But over there on the tree, if you can see, getting closer, we have some jackfruit. Wow. What a great find. Oh, aren't these pretty? Really enjoying the sunlight here. Oh, this is nice and white. I normally see them in yellow. It's a lovely bush. Wow. Oh, I've not seen this one before. It's labelled as the Mickey Mouse plant. Ooh. Although that appears to be yellow, this isn't. This is a red one. And there's a red, looks like fruit up the top here. Ah, but then there is a yellow one over here. And it's all stemming from the same bush. Oh wow, how lovely is that? The red one. And then the yellow one. That's a mangrove lily. Look at the thickness of the stems of one of them. It's really very thick. Lots of mangrove lilies along here. That is so thick. It's almost like a leek. Look at that creature. I'm not sure what it is. It likes the camera. What an amazing tree. I thought these were just inserted onto the tree to make it look like they grow on them. But no, look. That's natural. On this starfruit tree. Look at that. That's how it naturally grows. It naturally grows like that. Wow. Amazing. Plenty of ants and insects buzzing around today. A beautiful flower, quite often ignored, just like a ground cover plant in most people's eyes, but it's here in a very nice place. This beautiful thing is a garlic vine. It just caught my eye as I was leaving the park, and I also saw that in the distance. It's a lovely flower. Garlic vine and yellow trumpets and more. I had to catch this banana plant in the bright sun. It's very hot today, 34 degrees, and that plant there, that flower, looks very happy. This is the pinto peanut. It's related to the groundnut, and it's very good for ground cover, as you can see along here. And it looks very lovely. I just saw these Ashanti blood bushes across the way there, next to this very noisy, old but nice fountain, and they really stood out. They're beautiful. It's a great location I'm in today. I'm in Centro. I hope you can hear me. Look at this Coromia. It's almost ignored. It's used as, well, ground cover really.